Forget for a moment that Rock Creek is potentially the greatest name ever conceived for a faceless 70s light rock cover band to grace the stage of a Holiday Inn lounge. Instead, wrap your head around the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition. Created by Nissan to connect the dots between the Pathfinder and customers who fancy themselves outdoor adventure types, it encompasses a grouping of special features and cosmetics at a value price. Offered on Pathfinder mid-level SV and SL trims in both front and all-wheel drive Pathfinders come in S, SV, SL, and premium trims. The Rock Creek Edition offers unique 18-inch wheels wrapped in 255/60 all-season tires and a blackout trim package applied to the door handles, roof rails, rear view mirrors, grille, front and rear fascia elements, and license plate holder. The wheel openings get molded black plastic surrounds and door badging, and the all-wheel drive version gets badges that tell the world as much. 7 unique exterior colors will be available. A standard trailer hitch with wiring harness and splash guards makes sure both 2- and 4-wheel drive Rock Creek Pathfinders can tow every one of the rated 6,000 pounds. The interior treatment includes two-tone seating surfaces with contrast stitching on the seats, doors, console, and steering wheel. Metallic interior trim bits and badging complete the transformation. The powertrain remains unchanged, with the Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition getting by with the same 284 HP 3.5-liter direct-injected V6 and Stronach continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) as the rest of the Pathfinder family. The Rock Creek package adds $995 to the bottom line of both SV and SL trim Pathfinders. Current MSRP is $35,315 for an SV with front-wheel drive and $38,965 for a front-wheel drive SL. Add $1,690 for all-wheel drive. Ordering all the elements a la carte would cost an additional $1,315, Nissan points out. Those interested in adding even more to that bottom line can choose the $980 SV Rock Creek Edition technology package, heated cloth front seats, steering wheel, and outside rear view mirrors, Nissan Connect with navigation and traffic. Purchasers of the SL trim can add the $2,110 SL Rock Creek Edition premium package, Bose 13-speaker audio, power panoramic sunroof, and edge into outright decadence.